Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech and Art. Today I'm going to discuss about the SQL Server database file extension changed. Today I saw it one of my database, the file MDF file extension is a .pdf. So we'll change it from .pdf to MDF. Normally it's happening during while creating a new database, but I can tell you there is no harm to running with the any kind of extension, but as per the Microsoft recommendation, the MDF should be we can use for the primary database file MDF, NDF for secondary, and LDF for the log files. So this is my instance, and I can see the database testdb 5. The primary file is as you can see, the extension is a PDF, right? .pdf. It should be .mdf. So we'll find it the file location with the command select star from the sys database files, right? It will give you the entire the file details of the database. Once you execute this command, it will give you the file. Yes, as you can see, the testdb5, the primary file is extension is .pdf. If you want to see in GUI also, just right click on a database and come to files. So here you can see it, the testdb.pdf, right? So I need to change it actually. For this you need to use the alter database command. It's a very simple. Just change it PDF to MDF, give the correct file location and all path. So as you can see, it's changed. Log is saying it's changed, right? After that, you need to take the database offline, alter database name, set offline, and execute it. Okay, so it's taking time, so maybe I need to use the alter database set offline with rollback immediate. So I'm typing the with rollback immediate. It will take immediately database offline. Alter database name, set offline with rollback immediate. So it will take immediately database offline. Let me refresh. Yeah, still database is not offline. So you can execute alter database with rollback immediate. So now probably database is in offline mode. Yes, so testdb5 is in offline mode now. So now what you need to do, you need to go to the physical file location and change it extension from PDF to MDF. Right click on the files, and here you can directly you can change it from here itself, PDF to .mdf, right? So physically also changed, give the permission, and then you need to bring up the database online. So next time, this time database will bring up with the file extension MDF, probably, hopefully. Let me see. If you refresh the database came online. Now again I'm checking the files, writing the command select star from database name set, right? sys.database files. So it will give the file location, right? Yes, so I can see the physical file name is changed, right? .mdf. Earlier it was extension is .pdf, so it's changed here. So if you want to see in a database properties through the GUI method also, once you click on files, so here you can see now it is MDF. So hope it's cleared. Through this alter database command, you can change it the database file extensions. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.